Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Future FinTech FTFT. I've talked about this one a couple times here on the channel and need to do an update on it. But this is Future FinTech, ticker FTFT. Right now it's at 262. I got into this one a while back, and of course I'm down probably about 50%. But you can see what it's done here over the last 3 months. Down again over 14% in the last month, and in the last week it's up 3.15%, and here's a look at what it's doing today. So looks like it started high and dropped down, just been kind of up and down throughout the day. If you don't know what this one is, it's a blockchain, e-commerce, and financial technology company, and feel free to pause and go over the rest. Been around since 1998. 1 million average volume, so not a whole lot of volume on this one. And here's the look at the earnings. Next earnings is expected on August 16th after hours. And here's when I bought mine back in April. Like I said, I'm down probably about 50%, so 570 and 590. Would have been better to have waited, but at that point in time I was looking into it, heard somebody talking about it, and thought for sure it was going to keep going up, and it kind of surprised me and down quite a bit, so about cut in half. So this is just dated on the 14th. FTFT will continue to grow in 2021. In the latest trading session, 0.53 million Future FinTech shares changed hands as the company's beta touched 1.00, with the company's most recent per share price at $2.61 changed hands at minus 0.04, or negative 1.70% at the last look. The market valuation stands at 187.65 million. FTFT's current price is at a discount, trading about minus 332.57% off of its 52-week high of 11.29. Share price had a 52-week high, or 52-week low of $1.56, which suggests the value was 40.23% up since then. And so smaller volume on this one, so I'm just going to scroll through this article for those of you that like to pause and read the rest. Otherwise you can find this on marketingsentinel.com. And so instantly FTFT was in the red and seen in the intraday trades today, with action of down 12.83%. The performance over the past 5 days have been red. The drop of weekly highs of 2.92 on Tuesday, 7/13/21 subtracted minus 1.70% of the stock's daily price. So again, it's been down for pretty much 3 months, and so we'll wait and see when this one's going to go back up. So this is just stated on the 15th. Analysts predicting a spike in the Future FinTech group, FTFT. So the price on Wednesday, June 14th, was down 4.15% below its previous day closing, as the downside momentum from buyers pushed the stock's value to $2.54. And so it's been going down for quite a while. The market cap currently stands at around 179.86 million. Just shy of 180 million, with investors looking forward to the quarter earnings report stated on August 12th of 2021, August 16th, or slated from August 12th through the 16th. Revisions could be used as tool to get short-term price movement in sight, and for a company that is past 7 days was on no upward or no downward reviews. And so this one's kind of had some hype back in April, and since then it's kind of died off, and I check it every once in a while, but it's always been down. So So this is showing a 50% sell. On the other hand, the stock on average a 100% sell as suggested by medium-term indicators, while long-term indicators are putting the stock in 50% sell category. So if I was up on my position, I would probably be selling mine as well, but obviously I'm down in the red, so I'm just going to continue holding it. And this is just dated on the 20th. Future FinTech Group Incorporated, stock should not be taken for granted by investors in 2021. In the latest trading session, 1.09 million shares of the Future FinTech were traded, and its beta was 0.98. Most recently, the company's share price was $2.41, and it changed around minus 5 cents or 2.03% from the last close. So again, on the downtrend, I haven't picked up any more shares. I've thought about it, but I've just been kind of waiting to see where it's going to hit and where the bottom's actually going to be on this one. So kind of been staying away from it since I got burned on this one a little bit. But over here on Reddit, and I've heard that scam was going around about it about 4 months or so ago, but we shall wait and see what the stock price continues to do. But currently it's at $2.64, low, a 52-week low of $1.56, and a high of $11.29, and still low volume on this one. So see if there's any other information in here that would help us out. Here's some February $5 calls. As long as it went your way, that wouldn't be too bad, but maybe it's not going to go down any further. Maybe it's on its way back up, so we'll wait and see. And nothing here on tip ranks. But you can see kind of what it's been doing, just kind of up and down all over the place. 255 on up to 264. Looks like it's got about a 10-cent swing here, so if you wanted to trade it, you could probably make some money on it. So but that's all that I have on FTFT. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information on it that you may have. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel. And hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Just broke 1,000 subscribers, so I thank you everybody that's listening that has subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. That would really help out the channel as well, and get the videos out to some more people here. So again, I thank you for everything so far, and happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.